Hi, I'm Lexi Hart, your RoboBrief host. Today, robots are showing up where the work actually happens, in cotton fields, on factory floors, and inside the robotaxi economy. Let's get into it. First up, China. In Xinjiang, a new cotton topping robot is rolling through the fields, trimming the tops off cotton plants far faster than human crews ever could. Chinese coverage says the machine works more than 100 times faster than manual topping, using machine vision to spot each plant and snip it precisely, cutting labour costs across huge acreage. It's a great example of where farm robotics is winning right now. Not flashy humanoids, but one repetitive, high-friction task done at exactly the right moment at scale. Next, Germany. Agile Robots, the startup known for pairing force-sensitive robot arms with AI-driven control software, is reportedly on track to double its revenue this year. That's a headline worth taking seriously because it isn't built around a robot walking across a stage. It's about factories actually paying for automation that installs, runs, and returns on investment. When an industrial robotics company doubles revenue, it's a signal that AI-enabled manipulation is moving from demos into real budgets. Finally, Tesla. The company reportedly wants robots to clean its Cybercabs between rides. It sounds small, but it points to a truth the whole robotaxi industry is learning. Self-driving software is only half the problem. Someone or something still has to clean, charge, and reset the vehicle for the next passenger. As driverless fleets scale, the physical operations around each car become just as important as the autonomy inside it. 3 stories, 1 theme: robots are getting practical. That's it for today. Hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech for more.